Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss about local variable and the global variable, and two concepts I will discuss: what is scope and what is lifetime of the variable. Okay, so the concept of the function already you know. If you don't know, you can refer the videos related to function, right? So I'm taking x equal to 90, that is my first variable I have taken. Name of the variable is x and value of the variable is 90. Okay, then I am taking my function def change. Inside the function I am taking another variable x is equal to 89, and as you know, if you are not calling the function, my function will not work at all. So I am calling my function. So that is my whole program. Two variables I have taken, x equal to 90, another variable I have defined inside the function, y is equal to 89. X is outside the function and y is inside the function. Now, first concept is the scope of the variable. Scope of a variable. What is scope? Scope is the area where you can access that particular variable. Okay, like why you will access means if you are printing the value of that particular variable, or if you are using the value of that variable. Like I want to print value of x, print value of x is okay. Same value I want to print inside the function. After calling my function, so when the last statement of the function will be executed, you know, we will come out of the function. So after that again I am printing value of x. So at three places I am trying to print the value of x. One is outside the function, very first statement. Second statement I have written inside the function, and third time the same statement I am writing, again it is outside the function. Okay, so what is the scope of the variable? Scope of variable is the place where you can access that particular variable. So let's see the output for this program. See, value of x is 90, value of x is 90, value of x is 90. Means outside the function and inside the function, both places you can access the variable x. Here x variable x equal to 90, because you have defined outside the function, it is called global variable. And y is equal to 89, that variable you have defined inside the function, so it is called local variable. So in this case I have defined the scope of variable x. What the conclusion is coming? Here you can access value of x outside the function and inside the function. It means anywhere you can access value of x. So the scope of the global variable is the whole program. Scope of global variable, that is x, is the whole program, means anywhere in the program you can access the value of x. Now this I am making as a comment. Now we will see what is the scope of local variable. Here I will write is place where you can access particular variable. What we have seen, scope of global variable is the whole program, means anywhere in the program you can access the global variable. Okay, now we will find out the scope of local variable. If I will try to print value of y here, value of y is y, definitely you know it will be an error. Why? Because till now I have not defined y anywhere, so it means here I cannot access value of y. Now we are going inside the function. Here I have defined, so here I will try to print out value of y is y. Okay, so let's see what it will give. Value of y is 89. Here it has been printed. Now I have called the function. Now outside the function again I will try to print the value of y. Let's see what will happen. See, here at two places I am printing the value of y inside the function. Inside the function you have seen the output that it was printing. Now I have called the function change. It means after calling the function I am outside the function. Here again I am trying to print value of I. Let's see what will be the output. What happened? First output it has given because it was inside the function itself. After that what it is telling? Name error. Name y is not defined, right? It means y variable you cannot access outside the function, only you can access the variable inside the function. Then what will be the scope of the variable, of local variable? Here y was the local variable, so scope of y variable or scope of the local variable is inside the function only where it is defined. So what the conclusion we have seen here? Okay, as a comment we will write scope of global variable is the whole program, that is we can access it outside and inside the functions. And scope of local variable is the only function in which it is defined. That is, we cannot access local variable outside the function. So here that was the conclusion of the program what we have done. So what is the scope of the variable? It is the place where you can access a particular variable. Then when we were checking for global variable and the local variable, scope of global variable is the whole program, because you can access that particular variable outside the function as well as inside the function. Then scope of the local variable. Scope of the local variable is the function only in which it is defined. If you will try to access it outside the function, error will come. And what was the name of that error? Name error. See here, name error. That is, name y is not defined. It was limited to only function. Next concept is lifetime. What is the lifetime? Yes, what is the lifetime? Lifetime of the particular resource you will see till it is existing. That is called lifetime. If we are talking about the life of a particular person, so that is the time for which that person is existing on the earth. That is the lifetime of a particular person, right? So in the same way, what we can tell, what is the lifetime of the variable? Lifetime of the variable is till the time it is existing into the memory. So lifetime is time till it is, or till a variable is existing into the memory. That is called lifetime. Okay. So what is the lifetime of the global variable and what is the lifetime of local variable? That we will see. So I am writing value of x is x, print value of x is x. I am writing here, I have called the function. Again I am writing value of x is. So this is my program. And okay, already you know, but still I will write value of y is. Let's see what will happen or how the process is going on into the memory. First of all, I have taken x equal to 90. What will happen? One box will be created into the memory and 90 will be saved into it, and x will be the variable which is referring to it. It will happen into the memory. Okay. Then what will happen? Here print value of x. So it will print the value of x. Correct? What will happen? It will print. Now if I am coming to this, till now y is not existing into the memory. Just see here, what is existing? Only 90 is existing into the memory. Till now y doesn't come into the picture. So that's why what it will do? It will give error, name error. Correct? Then what will happen after that? This portion will be ignored by the interpreter. Directly your interpreter will come to this place, change. It means here you are calling the function. If you are calling the function, then it will go to the definition of the function. Then your interpreter will come here. Okay. Now what will happen? it will see y is equal to 89 is there, means one more variable you have created. So it will go to the memory and it will create one more variable 89 and y is referring to it. Clear? It will be created. Now what will happen? Sorry. Now you are trying to print the value of y. Of course it should print or it will print. Why? Because it is existing into the memory, right? Then here what it will do? Value of x is x. Just see the memory. Is it existing? Yes, it is existing. So it will print that also. So here also it will print. Clear? Then because that was the last statement of the function, what will happen now? Whenever you are executing the last statement of the function, all the variables which you have created in this function, it means this function will be terminated. When you are executing the last statement of the function, what is happening? This function is complete now. Okay. Then all the variable which you have created in this function will be cleared from the memory. It means what will happen? Which variable we have created over here? Y is equal to 89. So it will be this portion. It will be deleted from the memory. Now it is not existing into the memory at all. Okay. Then just see the program. Now what will happen here? Print value of x. Yes, it will print. Why? Because it is existing into the memory. Here you see, still it is existing into the memory. Then here you come, value of y is equal to this one. Name error will come. Why? Because now it is not existing into the memory. It is deleted from the memory. Clear? So it means what is the lifetime of the local variable? Lifetime of the local variable is means the time up to which it is remaining into the memory. Lifetime of local variable is only the time till the function is existing into the memory. Whenever or when you are executing the last statement of the function, local variable will be deleted from the memory. So I will write lifetime of local variable is the time till function is executed. When last statement of the function is executed, variable or local variables of this function will be deleted from the memory. And what about the global variable? When last statement of the program will come, what is the last statement of your program? This one. Till that time, the global variable, that is the variable x, it will exist. So lifetime of global variable is the time till whole program execution is going on. So here we are concluding this lecture. Scope of the variable we have seen. Scope of the variable is the place where you can access the particular variable. So scope of the global variable is the whole program, and scope of the local variable is only the function where it is defined. Second concept is the lifetime. Lifetime is the time till the variable is existing into the memory. Now what is the lifetime of the local variable? When you are executing the last statement of the function, local variable will be deleted from the memory, right? And what about the global variable? Global variable is existing into the memory till the program is executing, or when the last statement of your program will be executed, at that time only global variable will be deleted from the memory. Okay, hope so you understand the concept. If anywhere any doubt is remaining, then please mention as a comment. Thank you.